Running into your ex. It's something we've all dreaded.
Well, he's not here, so.
You never think it'll happen to you, but when it does, you need to be prepared. Evite presents Party Etiquette.
Oh, crap.
Told you.
What do I do now?
Whatever you do, just don't make a scene.
Gotcha. Don't make a scene. Don't make a scene. Don't make a scene.
Oh no, honey.
More of a cute guy myself, but it's all
Hey! Oh my God, Brad. So sorry.
It's okay.
Let me clean you up. Oh, I'm making it worse. It's just like our relationship. God.
It's fine.
No, listen. You can trust me now, okay? I've changed. Didn't you get all those texts that I sent you? I've changed. I've changed. Give me a chance. Give me a chance! God, you're working out.
Ugh, let's do that again. Don't make a scene. And whatever you do, don't bring up the past, and definitely don't let your ex know you've been secretly stalking them on Insta.
Hey Kayla, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you too. I didn't think you were coming. I thought you were still in Paris with Lauren. You guys have been dating, what, 6 months now? Is she done with her master's yet? Or I mean, it's not like I created a fake account and started following her on Instagram or anything. Why would you suggest something like that?
I didn't.
While I have you here, can I add you on LinkedIn?
Are you logged into my account?
Yeah, you should change your password. Just accept me? Just push accept. Just, yeah, oh, there it is.
I thought I told you not to do any of that. Ugh. Let's try this one more time.
Okay, I think I got it this time.
Yeah, I mean, I preferred cube dice, but I'll take crushed.
Hey, Brad. I didn't know you were coming. It's been forever. How's it going?
It's going good. It's good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
How are things?
How are things? God, where do we begin, am I right? I mean, I just nailed my dream job, which is amazing. I moved into an apartment by myself, which is pretty great. Planning a summer getaway with someone special. He's gorgeous. He's an accountant. He's like my rock, you know? And I'm also expecting a rock. Pretty great. Yeah, we met on a dating app for women.
That's great, Kayla. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, no, this is just my relaxed.
Oh.
Just like when I'm feeling.
Stop. Keep it sweet and simple. You're not there to brag or rehash old memories. You're there to party. Say hello and move on. Let's do this one last time, and let's do it the right way.
Same. Yeah. Oh, hey, Kayla, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good, thanks. Yeah, it should be a fun party, right?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, hey, well, good to see you.
Oh.
You go, girl. You deserve a celebration. Oh no. Oh no, honey. Your hair. What is that? People are looking. Ugh. We need to talk about your dancing. But let's save that for another time.